careful. Don't drop it again. Don't go behind the bushes. I cannot see you and you may be left behind. Oh no. You need to stay with us. Come back.
Rhea, you're here. I was wondering why you didn't come to school today.
I am on a field trip with the bunnies.
A field trip? That should be interesting. I can see the bunnies are loving it.
What did you do?
I'm showing the bunnies different types of plants and trees. But we're done here. We are ready to get back to school.
Is the bus around?
Yes, it is. I may need your help to get the bunnies back on the bus.
First, we'll find out how many bunnies there are in total.
Sure, I'll let them stand in rows of 10. Hey bunnies, I need you to stand in rows of 10. Come along and form a single line until I ask you to go to the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. You are the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. You are the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. You are the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 3 rows of 10, which is 30, and 5 more. It makes a total as 35. Rick, there are 35 bunnies in total.
Okay, I got that. How many bunnies do you need me to send in?
The bus can only hold 7 bunnies per row, so please send 7 at a time.
Okay, sure. When you get the first 7, please tell 1 and so on.
Okay, Rick, I'll do that. Please send me the first 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
That will be the first row. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
That will be the second row. 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
That will be the third row. 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
That will be the fourth row. 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
That will be the fifth row. 5.
Rhea, that's all the bunnies we have here.
Okay, Rick, that's totally 5 rows.
When 35 is divided by 7, we get 5.
We had totally 35 bunnies. We have 3 rows of 10 bunnies, which is 10, 20, and 30 bunnies. The next row's bunnies are 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Each row on the bus had 7 bunnies. Now we have 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, when we split 35 bunnies into rows of 7, we have 5 rows. When 35 is divided by 7, we get 5.
Let's go back to school.
Sure, Rhea.